Happy blessed day to everyone. How y'all doing? Today we're going to make some fried green tomatoes. Fried green tomatoes. And I wanted y'all to come on, join me as we watch me visiting one of our local farmers market stand. Good morning, everyone. I'm trying to show y'all, I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm headed towards a fresh produce. Let me go a little. Okay, I'm heading towards the produce stand, and I want y'all to see. Okay, see, they say they got local peaches. Look, that's a sign. It says veggies, fresh produce, and fruits. Can y'all see it? There we go. Y'all see the green tomatoes? Look, they have cucumbers. Oh yes, and y'all, you know what I'm thinking about doing? I'm thinking about pickling me some cucumbers, and I'm going to show y'all me pickling cucumbers. They have it, it's over here at the mall. Watermelons. Oh, these look good, y'all. I want to share this with y'all. Oh, they got fresh shell peas. Look, fresh shell peas.
Purple Horn Lady Cream.
What are they?
Purple Horn Lady Cream.
Oh, okay.
$8 a quart unless you bought 3 or more than 7.
Oh, okay. Did you want to say hi to YouTube? Do you want mine being on it? Okay, you want to say hi? Okay. He's one of the salesmen here. And so, y'all see? Y'all know I just put that video up about the squash and zucchini. Y'all see? Can y'all see this? I'm trying to make sure y'all can see it. Because what I'm going to do, I'm going to fry up some fried green tomatoes. And so, I'm letting y'all know where I'm buying them from. Sweet potatoes. And they also have some red potatoes. They also have red potatoes. And look at these onions, fresh onions. New day. Okay, I'm gonna get some of them because I need some. I wanted to share this with y'all. And they got fresh okra, look. They got fresh okra. If y'all live in my area, y'all come and give them a visit. Y'all come and give them a visit. Look, they got canned fruits. Look, they got Kool-Aid, pickles, Mayhaw syrup, red raspberry jam. Y'all, they got it going on over here. Cherry jam. Did I say apricot? They got some squash relish. Y'all, I'm just showing y'all these tomatoes, y'all. I'm ready to cook these up. And I also want me some of, I'm gonna get me a few of these tomatoes right here. This is what I want, some of these. I don't know about y'all, this is the way I like mine. Y'all see? This is the way I like mine. Just like that. And you can tell these are fresh, y'all, because they got the dirt still on them, see? They got the dirt still on them. These are locally grown tomatoes. Look, they got bell peppers. Okay, now who are you?
My name is Debbie. This is K&B Farmers Market in front of the Lufkin Mall.
Okay, all right, y'all here?
Y'all come and see us.
Okay, all right.
Thank you, Miss D.
Okay.
Fresh produce, homegrown.
All right, okay. Okay. Y'all have a blessed day.
You too.
Okay. I'm gonna give me some of these tomatoes. And I'm gonna be out of here. Okay, well, y'all, next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be in my kitchen cooking up some of the fried green tomatoes. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all our ingredients. I have some salt and pepper. And as y'all know, we got the green tomatoes. I got 1 egg, 1 cup of cornmeal, and 1/4 cup of flour. As y'all notice, I put more cornmeal on my fried green tomatoes. This is the way I prefer mine, or you can do half and half or whatever you want to do. But this is the way I'm going to show y'all the way I do my fried green tomatoes. Okay? I'm getting ready to use my cast iron skillet, and I got my plate and paper towel ready. So y'all, let's get to cooking our fried green tomatoes. Okay, in this bowl, I'm mixing up cornmeal and flour. In this bowl, I'm beating my egg. Okay, as y'all can see, I have sliced up my tomatoes. I'm getting ready to put some salt on them. Do not over salt them, y'all. Do not over salt and pepper them. This black pepper is optional. You do not have to put black pepper. This is the way I'm showing y'all the way I make my fried green tomatoes. As y'all notice, I got mine with just a smidgen of orange in it. These are the one I like to pick out when I'm at the farmer's market for my fried green tomatoes. And if they don't have these kind, I would use the, green ones. I'm going to turn my heat down over here. You turn it down. Turning my heat down. Okay. Okay, just like I said, do not over season with your salt, okay? We have to watch that salt. Okay, what I'm doing now, okay, my oil should be ready. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pour my egg mixture over my tomatoes. This helps the cornmeal to stick. Okay, I'm going to put them in my cornmeal. We're going to put them in the skillet. Okay, let's do some more. And y'all, as y'all see, I did not, if y'all like y'all tomatoes thick, you can cut them thick or the thinnest you want them, okay? See how I got mine? They're not really thick. I'll put maybe 4 of these in here, because you got to be careful with your heat. But they cook really fast, y'all. See? They can cook really fast, so you have to be very careful. They do cook really fast. What you do, you just let them brown. Because y'all, there's really nothing to it. All you're trying to do is brown your coating, right? Okay. So, they don't have to stay in there like the okra and the squash. You're going to have to leave these in there. Keep checking them. Making sure they're brown. See, this one is ready to come out. Flip that one back over. A few are ready to come out. See? These are so simple to make. So simple. Now, y'all, if y'all don't like all the cornmeal that I put in there, you can always put less cornmeal. If you like the way I cook the the fried squash, you can do it the same way. Char 8A asking me, do you fry your fried green tomatoes the same way? And so that's why I'm showing y'all today the fried green tomatoes. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna finish frying these up, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, y'all, here's my fried green tomatoes. I did not cook them all, y'all. Let me show y'all how I'm just plating them up. Just gonna plate them up here. Okay, one more. Okay, here they are. Here are my fried green tomatoes. Hope y'all can see them. Okay, y'all, I'm getting ready to close. And I'm going to say bye-bye. For now, y'all have a blessed day. Okay, y'all, I got my grandson here. I got Brent here. Y'all, he was named after me, because that's my nickname. His name is Brent. Okay, what you got to say, Brent?
Hey, guys.
Yes, he was just trying to speak to y'all. And he, as y'all can see, he has his fried green tomatoes, and he's going to try it out for y'all. Okay, Brent, let's see how you like it.
Good.
It's good? All right, y'all. Brent wanted to share his views of the fried greens tomatoes. And I was surprised he liked them, y'all. But he loves them. Okay, y'all. Well, you got something to tell everybody?
Bye-bye for now.
All right, y'all. Bye-bye for now.